Okay, so a very good morning to all my dear students. Let us start with the revision for unit number 3 for the subject business planning and entrepreneurship management. Okay, so the first concept, students, in unit number 3 is innovation. I have told you many a time, students, an entrepreneur has to be innovative, right? So, talking about you in simple words, students, what do you mean by innovation? See what's written in this slide. Turning a new concept into a commercial success or widespread use. So, if I will tell you, students, for example, I had here told you the example of Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon. No one had initially thought that, ऐसे e-commerce websites या apps आएंगे जिसके through people can sit at the comfort of their homes and they will get all the products delivered online. Correct? But there was a person, first of all, हम बोलते हैं ना students, a real entrepreneur is someone who converts these dreams into a reality. Okay, so that is what is told over here. Once, if you see, students, no one had even imagined that there will be flights, aeroplanes, but one person had this dream. Correct? He had seen the movement of birds, how they are flying. So that is why he thought, why can't people fly from one place in the world to another? Right? So that is known as innovation. So here, if I will tell you, students, you all know when we are about to innovate something new, discover something new, convert it into a dream, basically, right? So it's a very important quality an entrepreneur needs to have, right? All the previous ones that we have discussed, like for example, self confidence, positivity, these all are very much there, but this one is also equally important. Okay, so Peter Drucker. So I'm not sure, students, if you know, but Peter Drucker is a very famous management guru. Okay, if we talk about modern management, you will always hear about the name of Mr. Peter Drucker. Okay, so what he has basically told students is innovation is work. To succeed, innovators must build on their strengths. We all know what is SWOT analysis: strengths, weakness, opportunities, threats, correct? So, an entrepreneur, students, always remember he will work on his strengths. ओके, वीकनेसेस को हमें ओवरकम करना है, बट स्ट्रेंथ हम जितना हम बोलते हैं ना स्टूडेंट्स, लाइक रिसेंटली ओलंपिक्स के न्यूज वे देयर, right? So these players, they'll always make sure how they convert their strength into an opportunity. Okay, next one is invention. So if I tell you, students, invention का meaning क्या है? Creation of a new idea or concept, as you all can see. Okay, so for example, if I will tell you, like everyone has known Albert Einstein, such scientist, Galileo Galilei, correct? So what invention में क्या होता है, students? Always remember, ये तीन steps है. First is always creativity, then comes invention, then comes innovation. So invention stage में हम बोलते हैं ना, actual R&D, research and development goes on, trial and error. Like I have told you, students, जरूरी नहीं है okay कि starting में, for example, if we are trying to work on something, जरूरी थोड़ी है एक ही बार में हो जाएगा. We will have to face many failures. Correct? So that is what is basically told over here. We have to keep on trying, keep on trying. That is the main thing. Okay. Next one, very important, is creativity. We use this term in our daily life, students, right? For example, ये person बहुत creative है. Someone who's artistic, right? So creativity, again, इसमें क्या होता है, students, कई बार it's our mind. Okay, how much you might have. Okay, students, now I don't know um, if you know, but so many, like आप Bollywood films में देखते हो, there are so many directors, they have come up with great films. Correct? So again, it is their creativity. तो इसमें human mind, how much ideas we are able to generate. So see क्या लिखा है, the act of turning new and imaginative ideas into reality. मतलब हम बोलते हैं ना, before an innovation, creativity is the most important thing. Just like how in management process and all, planning is always the first step. Correct? So that is what is told over here. Okay, so now if I will tell you students how the creativity process happens, इसमें there are 5 steps. Okay, the first one is idea germination. Means हम बोलते हैं ना students, before a tree becomes a huge tree, the first thing that is important is bee. Correct? उसके जो seeds होते हैं वो. So same way students, idea germination means कोई भी idea जो है, ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कोई भी एंटरप्रेन्योर या क्रिएटर के माइंड में आना चाहिए. करेक्ट? यू नो स्टूडेंट्स, अलेक्जेंडर ग्राम बेल, यू माइट हैव हर्ड ऑफ दिस पर्सन, द वन हु इन्वेंटेड टेलीफोन. सो उसके माइंड में, यू नो, सिंस ही वाज अ चाइल्ड, okay, he had been fascinated with sound. Mark Zuckerberg, the founder of Facebook, I had read about him, students. So he basically, you know, since a very young age, he was fascinated with computers. Bill Gates, the founder of Microsoft, I have heard since they were children, वो लोग coding सीख रहे थे 10 or 12 years of age. Okay? हाँ. Next step is preparation. So, you know, students, once you are interested in an idea, okay, you are curious about something, you want to start working on it. तो प्रिपरेशन का मीनिंग क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स? इफ आई विल टेल यू, सी इफ वी वांट टू लाइक सी, if for example in future you want to do MBA, okay, so what you all will now do is students, you will start preparing for CAT, CET, all those entrances. So same way, if for example Mr. Jeff Bezos, if he wanted to work on a particular idea, what he could have done basically is, you know, he will start ki chalo how will I develop my own website, which products I have to sell. Correct? The next point is incubation. Now if you see students, incubation, this we are doing process of creativity. Okay, incubation means what students? For example, if I will tell you, actual में, see, sometimes it's always a big thing students. हम लोग कई बार when we are doing, आपने, you must have watched the movie भाग मिल्खा भाग. In somewhere in the mid of his career, he was facing so many challenges. हम कई बार बोलते हैं ना, आधे से ही we are like, अरे मैं ये क्यों कर रहा हूँ, should I stop doing this, should I leave it? So correct, that is what is known as incubation. So I mean, you know, at this stage we have to make sure हम positive रहे. Rather than highlighting the problem, we should work on the solution. Okay. Next point is illumination. Illumination means what students, हम बोलते हैं ना, there is a ray of hope कि oh I see a bright future, something like that. So that is what कि students, हम end में आने से पहले हम बोलते हैं ना, we should give that one last try. That is what is told over here. And verification. So if you see students, verification means what? Once we are convinced that okay, my creativity, my idea can become a reality, it can be converted into innovation. Right? So last step, see students, even if I'll give you an example, everyone was working on finding a COVID vaccine. Correct, since the past almost 1 year, more than a year actually. So if I will tell you, so many companies, students had initially, you know, they were taking a lot of time, because हम बोलते हैं ना students, before launching something, you have to make sure first of all कि that thing will absolutely work. Okay, because अगर वो work ही नहीं कर रहा है students, what is the ultimate use? Okay, that is what is told over here. See, this is the PPT students which I talked about now. Okay, just have a look at this. I hope the screen is visible. हाँ, कोई भी आपके, you know, textbook में they have written steps in creativity. Here what it's written, business planning. Same ही steps होते हैं if you see students. First point will always be to generate ideas. Okay, next point that's written over here is environmental scanning. So if we see students, environmental scanning, okay, what it basically means is studying the environment. So here if you remember, I had told you SWOT analysis, internal external environment. Okay, that answer will do now. Feasibility analysis, हम बोलते हैं ना students, feasible solution means what? if there is a possible solution. Okay, that is what is told over here. Can my dreams be converted into reality? हम बोलते हैं ना कई बार we need to be very practical students. Okay, feasible means possible है कि नहीं है solution. Project report preparation. I have told you students this is a very important step because ultimately when we are sitting with our investors वो लोग हमें they will always ask us for a project report. सर शो अस अ प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट उसमें सब हमारा लिखा होता है कि व्हाट इज अवर प्लान मे बी 5 years डाउन द लाइन 10 years डाउन द लाइन वेयर डू वी सी अवर सेल्फ करेक्ट एंड लास्ट पॉइंट इज ऑलवेज इवेल्युएशन कंट्रोल एंड रिव्यू हम बोलते हैं ना स्टूडेंट्स हम लोग जो भी काम कर रहे हैं ऑलवेज टेकिंग अ प्रॉपर फॉलो अप फीडबैक दैट इज व्हाट इज टोल्ड ओवर तो ये जो आंसर है स्टूडेंट्स विच इज वेरी मच रिलेटेड टू द क्रिएटिविटी प्रोसेस व्हाट वी डिड बिजनेस प्लानिंग. Okay, any business will take a lot of planning into it, students, right? Be it in terms of finances, location, area setup. Okay, that is what is told over here. Business plan. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना students, you might have seen even before a new building is made, वो लोग एक उसका short miniature बनाते हैं, right? We also call it as if I will tell you students blueprinting. Okay, you need not remember इसका क्या meaning है. Before आप आपकी mom को भी best example I am giving you. If you observe your mother students, वो लोग क्या करते हैं normally mithai and all sweets we don't prepare it every day. Okay, so what we normally do is abhi Diwali time festival time आएगा so before they actually make sweets वो लोग क्या करेंगे पहले थोड़ी quantity में बनाएंगे. They will try it, they will test it कि चलो ये अच्छा बना है कि नहीं. Only if they are very much convinced कि हाँ ये अच्छा बना है they can go forward to the next step. ओके नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या है बेसिकली इफ आई विल टेल यू ज्यादा क्वांटिटी में बनाना. ओके आई होप यू ऑल हैव एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. Okay, now students, okay, let me share the next slide. Now remember students, in your textbook there is one very important concept which comes after innovation, that is change management. So if you see students, this is very important. See, in today's time students, if I will tell you, change management is very important. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, someone who's not able to adjust to the time, he or she won't survive in the business. Okay, so that is what is told over here basically. So मैंने आप लोगों को एग्जाम्पल भी दिया था स्टूडेंट्स लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन टूडेज टाइम इफ समवन इज टेलिंग कि नहीं नहीं आज के टाइम में आई डोंट वांट टू लर्न कंप्यूटर्स, मुझे खुद की वेबसाइट नहीं बनानी है, then students no such person basically can survive. Bill Gates, the founder of Microsoft, he had once told in today's time, okay, if your business you are not converting it online, then आपके बिजनेस का कोई फ्यूचर ही नहीं है. देयर विल बी नो फ्यूचर ऑफ योर बिजनेस. दैट इज व्हाट मिस्टर बिल गेट्स हैड टोल्ड. Okay, so same way students, now change management, it's up to you. हम बोलते हैं ना our business should be flexible, so you have to make sure up changes like how even students, you all initially you all were not comfortable with online lectures, but now what has happened is because the times have changed, even we as teachers we had to learn so many things online. Okay, that is what is told over. Now, students, this is a very important question. Idea generation techniques. Okay, so there are many sources of idea. हम बोलते हैं ना students कि मैम कई बार if we tell कि from where will we get new ideas. Okay, so that is what is told over here. So only the important methods I will cover with you. Okay, most of the times I had told you students, our customers, right, they are the biggest source for idea generation because they are the ones who are using our products. So I have always told you today aaj bhi, if you order from Amazon and all, you might have seen students, they always ask you for your feedbacks. Correct, so that is what customers, sometimes even your competitors students, हम लोग ये next time will do this in SWOT analysis. So as you all know students, we always have a look at our competitors, what they are doing. इससे क्या होता है, we are getting ideas. कई बार वो लोग नया कुछ करके लाए. You all had given me the right answer students. कई बार experience, पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंसेस हो, बिजनेस एक्सपीरियंसेस हो, यू नो कई बार इवन ऑब्जर्वेशन, व्हेन वी ऑब्जर्व थिंग्स अराउंड अस वी गेट टू लर्न सो मेनी थिंग्स, right? One more very important thing I had told you students is complaints. Always remember, don't take complaints in a negative way. Students, if I will tell you, even Amitabh Bachchan, okay, this I am not telling it in a bad way, but once someone had told him, अरे ये क्या घोड़े जैसी शक्ल लेके आया है, when he was early in his career. So students, if he would have considered that suggestion, आज वो जो stage पे है, imagine till this age he is working, such a successful person. सो अगर वो ऐसी कंप्लेन अपने माइंड पे ले लेते, ही कुड हैव नेवर बीन सक्सेसफुल. हम बोलते हैं ना, हमारे जो वीकनेसेस होते हैं, मे बी चलो उनका फेस इज नॉट द बेस्ट, बट स्टिल ही वर्कड ऑन हिज एक्टिंग स्किल्स. जैसे कि मैंने स्टार्टिंग में कहा स्टूडेंट्स, वी हैव टू वर्क ऑन आवर स्ट्रेंथ्स, करेक्ट, उसको मोर एंड मोर स्ट्रॉन्ग किया कीजिए. सो जो भी कंप्लेंट्स है उससे हमें सीखने को मिलता है क्या, कि हाउ नॉट टू रिपीट देम इन द फ्यूचर. ओके, कई बार सर्वेज भी होते हैं स्टूडेंट, सो मेनी कंपनीज कंडक्ट मेनी सर्वेज, राइट. उससे क्या होता है, उससे भी दे गेट टू नो कस्टमर के ओपिनियंस, कि हाउ हैप्पी दे आर यूजिंग आवर प्रोडक्ट्स, right? Brainstorming is a very important method. If you see students, brainstorming means what, if I will tell you, no, वहाँ पे people basically in a group, you all know what is teamwork, together everyone achieves more. So they'll basically sit in a team, they will work on problem solving. हम बोलते हैं ना कई बार, through discussion and all we can get many solution in a very creative way, I am telling. ओके, एंड यहाँ पे और एक जो मेथड है स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट मेथड विल डू द नेक्स्ट टाइम. 5 I's एंड 1 H, आई होप यू नो. व्हाट, व्हेन, व्हाई, वेयर, whom, correct, and 1 H is how. So कोई भी company for example has to answer these simple questions: why I am into this business, okay, for example, what should I do to achieve profit, okay, who are my customers, where am I going to target, maybe only in Mumbai or the whole of India, correct. So that is what is told over here. तो ये सब questions के answers होने चाहिए students. Okay, I hope you all are understanding. Okay, so I think I'll do one thing now students. I hope you all have filled the attendance sheet. नहीं fill किया है तो please make sure you fill it, and do subscribe to my channel, as these recorded videos will be available on my channel. Okay, so yeah, let me see. So students, unit 3, इसका जो थोड़ा part रह गया है, we are going to continue it in the next session. Okay. So yes, just have a look at this PPT students. This is the last PPT. What it's told over here basically is, see, tips for streamlining. Matlab what it's told over here is, whenever there is a new business venture, I'll just take 1 or 2 more minutes. What it's told over here कि आप streamline, how will you make sure you will, achieve success. So that's what is told over here is, first make sure entrepreneurship is what you want. I've told you many a time students, business is like a roller coaster ride. Correct? So make sure you should be 100% sure you want to become an entrepreneur. Then you can take a decision on what kind of business you want to do. Correct? फिर research your idea. इसमें what we learn, creativity, innovation, all of this comes here. Handle paperwork. You all know students, in India especially paperwork is very important. जो भी licensing का part है government का, right? Assemble your team. Now students, remember, team is very important, because हम बोलते हैं ना, management is the art of managing men tactfully. तो काम लोगों से ही करवाना है, correct. Together everyone achieves more, so having a good team is very important. Students, Chak De India is a very good movie that is showing the importance of teamwork. Okay, choose your business structure. Means कैसे, like maybe if you are a startup company, business structure means what students, levels क्या होंगे, top management क्या, कौन होगा, कौन किसको report करेगा, who will be the bottom management. ओके, एंड लास्ट इज राइट डाउन अ बिजनेस प्लान. ये तो मैंने आप लोगों को कहा स्टूडेंट्स, बिजनेस प्लानिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वेयर वी वांट टू बी इन द नियर कोर्स ऑफ फ्यूचर, उसके लिए प्लान करना, आंसरिंग ऑल दोस 5 W's एंड 1 H क्वेश्चन becomes very very important, right? So I'll just stop recording now, students.